If CapCut Web is showing an error and you can't get the editor to load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can happen for a few different reasons, including ad blockers, browser conflicts, or even a corrupted cache. So we're going to test the most common solutions first and get you back into the editor as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is whether an ad blocker is interfering with CapCut Web. Extensions like Brave Shields, uBlock Origin, or AdBlock can block important cloud scripts that the editor needs in order to load correctly. If you're using Brave, look for the Shields icon in the address bar and disable it for the CapCut Web editor page. If you're using Chrome or another browser with an extension like uBlock Origin or AdBlock, go into your extensions and turn it off just for this website. You do not need to uninstall it completely. Just disable it on the CapCut page, then refresh and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This is a great test because it helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by cookies, saved site data, or a conflicting extension. Open a new incognito window in your browser, then go back to CapCut Web and sign in again. If the editor loads normally in private mode, that usually means one of your extensions or your browser cache is causing the conflict. If it still does not work, that tells us the issue is probably somewhere else, so keep going with the next steps. Now let's switch browsers. CapCut Web is heavily optimized for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, so if you're trying to use it in a browser that is not fully supported, you may run into errors, lag, or loading problems. If you are already in a browser like Safari, Edge, or a privacy-focused browser with lots of built-in restrictions, try opening CapCut in native Google Chrome first. If that does not help, test it in Mozilla Firefox. A browser switch is a simple fix, but it solves a lot of strange web editor issues because it gives CapCut a cleaner and more compatible environment to run in. If you've tried all of that and the error is still showing, the next step is to clear your cache. Over time, your browser stores cookies and cached images that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop CapCut Web from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear your cookies and cached images. Make sure you refresh the CapCut page after clearing the data, then sign in again and check if the editor loads properly. In some cases, you may need to fully close the browser and reopen it after clearing the cache so the changes take effect. Once you've completed these steps, try reloading CapCut Web one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem. Disabling ad blockers, testing in incognito mode, switching to Chrome or Firefox, or clearing the cache. If CapCut still isn't working after that, the issue may be temporary on their side, so you may want to wait a little and try again later. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the CapCut Web error quickly. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech tutorials and app troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.